Hello everybody, welcome to my channel and also welcome to my course Object Oriented Programming using Java. Myself Tanvir Rahman and I will be available with you throughout this entire course. Okay, so first let me explain something about this course. The name of the course is Object Oriented Programming using Java, which means I will be explaining how we can develop object oriented programming using Java. So the prerequisites of this course is you must have prior knowledge regarding programming, how to write codes, how we can compile it and run it. You have to know it, and the basic concepts of programming like the loops, the variables, the functions, the conditional statements, and so on. To achieve these concepts, I recommend you to visit some popular websites like Java Point or Tutorials Point or any other websites you want or books you want. So I expect all of you that you have gone through the prerequisites. Now let me quickly explain about the topic I will be covering. So first of all, the very basic concepts of object oriented programming, like the concept of classes, objects, the encapsulation, inheritance, polymorphism, abstraction, interfaces, and some other concepts related to these basic concepts I will be covering up. And lastly, I will also covering the UML implementation like the association, aggregation, composition, and other things. So I again welcome all of you to this course, and this is Tanvir Rahman signing out. Thank you for watching.